In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively remove a bot from your Google Chat space. Whether you've been interacting with a bot directly or encountering it in a group setting, we're going to walk you through the entire process, ensuring that you can manage your chat spaces with ease and confidence. Let's start with the scenario where you've been chatting directly with a bot. You need to first navigate to chat.google.com, or alternatively, open your Gmail and access chat from there. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar, where all your chat conversations are listed. Find the bot's name that you wish to remove. Hovering over the bot's name will reveal a few options. You'll notice 3 vertical dots appear. This is your action menu for additional options. Clicking on these 3 dots will offer several choices, and what you'll want to look for here is the option that says Delete Conversation. Go ahead and select that. You might get a prompt asking you to confirm this action. It's a step meant to ascertain that you want to proceed with deleting the conversation, just in case it was accidentally selected. Simply confirm when prompted, and that will remove the direct chat with the bot. Now, if the bot is part of a group chat or a space, the process differs slightly. Begin by locating the specific space where the bot is added. Once you open the space, you'll see the name of the space at the top of the window. Clicking on this space name is key to accessing its management options. Once you've clicked on the space name, look for an option that reads Manage Members. Selecting this will allow you to see the list of all participants, including bots that are part of the space. From there, navigate to the section labeled App and Integrations. This is where you can manage all bot-related activities within the space. You'll find a list of bots and integrated apps. Now, simply locate the bot that you wish to remove. To the right of the bot's name, you'll see another set of 3 dots. Click on these to bring up a menu. Look for the option that says Remove from Conversation or something similar and select it. There you have it. By following these strategic steps, you've successfully removed the bot from your space or direct chat. This process helps you maintain a clutter-free and organized digital workspace. Remember, managing your chat environments allows for better communication and reduction of interruptions, so feel free to revisit these steps whenever necessary to keep your spaces running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, happy chatting.